Good morning, girls. Good morning, Susie Q. Good morning, babies. Good morning, babies. How are you? You gonna crow for me again, little man? Huh? No? Hold on. Yes, the crazy goat thinks there's something up there, so she's jumping up on the barrels. Let's see. Yep. She's crazy. Candy morning treats for rabbits. It has nipples on the bottom, so the chickens can drink out of it. Good morning, Goldie. These are absolutely beautiful roosters. Isn't he pretty? Yeah. Yes, you are. You're beautiful. Good morning, Vlogmas day. Oh, what is it, 19th? I think it's the 19th. Nope, it's the 20th, sorry. It is Sunday, December 20th, and I just let everybody out so that I gave some treats to the rabbits. Now we'll close the gate up. When you live on a farm, there's a million gates, and I do mean, let's see, we have one back there, 2, 3, 4, one over there, 4, 5, 6, and there's one at the front, so there's 7 gates on our farm. So yeah, we have lots of gates. But yes, it's cold and rainy today, and we have online church at 11, and it is not even, it is just now, not even 9 o'clock yet, so I'm gonna get back in and get back warm because it is chilly. I finished my hat with a pom-pom on it last night, and I will show you that one later. But yeah, I might actually start me a pair of socks myself. Maybe, who knows? I've got a whole bunch of socks that need heels put in them, so I might just put some heels in. Talk to you later. I have this one done, and then I have these ready to be attached. Well, I'm not going to put that one there, but you know what I mean. So, I've got these ready to be attached. I'm going to have to do a whole another one. And that's what I'm going to work on today. Maybe. Who knows? It's cloudy, looks like it's gonna rain. Getting a walk in today is important. Yeah, it's only 5 days till Christmas, or 4 days till Christmas. Yeah, I don't know, just doesn't seem much good. But I guess that's for everybody. So, yeah, all the animals. The crazy goat, Heidi, our old lady mare. Tim's had her, the gray mare, for 25 years this year. And that's her great-great-granddaughter, or great-granddaughter, and that one over there is her granddaughter. So, yeah, we had her granddaughter, fell one year, slipped, fell, hit her head, and we lost her. Something hit her head really bad. Had no clue what happened. Even the vet said they would have been nothing they could have done. So, yeah. So now we have those 3. And we have the 2 more in the back, 2 boys in the back. But, yeah. Taking my walk. And it looks like they've got some followers. Which they always seem to do. Whenever I walk and they catch me. To follow. Yep. But it's pretty chilly this Sunday. It's actually chilly and just damp, but I needed to walk. Needed to get some fresh air. And speaking of chili, I cooked chili for dinner last night and made enough so we could have it for lunch today. So that's what we had for lunch. I have no clue what I'm cooking for dinner because I have stocked up on groceries. I hate going to the grocery store the week of Christmas. Absolutely can't stand it because it seems like everybody else waits till the last minute. And so I was determined. I did a Walmart grocery run, a Aldi grocery run, and I'm done. Yeah. The only thing I didn't get and I realized was I don't have any gluten-free pasta because Walmart was out. And the kind that Aldi has, we just don't like. It just doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't hold together really well, so we don't use it. But yeah. Alright, I'm trying to keep myself on the pathway. We lost one of our rabbits this morning. It was a little odd because she was letting us hold her. And she normally doesn't do that. But then she perked up, and we're like, okay, she's trying to jump out of our arms. We put her down, so I put her down, and literally she just flipped and was gone, and I lost it. Yes, it was so sad, because this was our rabbit. We called her Lucky because she was missing one of her back feet. We don't know what happened when she was a baby. When she was itsy bitsy little bunny. She lost one of her back feet. And I don't really know, she may have been born that way, we just didn't realize it. But we called her Lucky. Because she only had 3 feet. Yeah. But we lost her today and I'm trying my very best not to cry. Again. So, I'm walking to check on my other one. I'll talk to you later.